Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Wait, scratch that. How about this? Two paths diverged in a pink badlands. And sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveler, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent into a wash. The best discoveries are all off the well-beaten trail. The best clay is always that clay that you have worked to find in some remote spot, that you carry out 5 miles on your back. Like this one. Last week, I did an informal survey of some of my students about smectite clays and found that we have like 5 total that are generally available and good for holding organic paint. That is far too small a number. So I am beginning a project to locate more smectite clays for organic painted pottery. This area near St. David, Arizona holds a remote deposit of smectite that I used many years ago. So I hiked out there last week to get a sample to compare with others. So many great discoveries wait to be found beyond the end of the trails and roads. No doubt, some great clay like this lies off the beaten track near you too. Lying there, just waiting to be discovered. This week, I will be teaching the first of my spring 2023 pottery workshops. So I made a little shorter video for this week so I had more time to prepare for my workshop. I'd like to make more videos of this format, clay exploration, out in the wilds videos. So let me know what you think of this with a comment below. So with the start of warmer spring weather, get out there and have a wonderful adventure exploring and finding your next go-to clay on the road less traveled. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference.